2025, I did the Entrepreneurship CTE program my junior and senior year here at Milton. The Entrepreneurship CTE program helped prepare me not just for college, but my future career. I was able to take courses in accounting, personal finance, marketing, management, and things that are able to encapsulate a wide variety of courses and understanding. I was able to be a part of the school board as a student representative. I was a 3-time FBLA state qualifier, winning districts in my senior year. I was just able to interact with a lot of my teachers, fellow staff, students. That was really able to prepare me to get into college and for my college level courses. I'm now a student at Bucknell University, and because of the hard work and the support that the CT program gave me, I was able to receive a full ride scholarship, and I'm able to take classes in both education and business with the goal of becoming a teacher and one day an administrator in public schools. Thank you so much to the CT programs for providing me these opportunities. I'm eternally grateful.
He taught me how to be a leader and be confident. I'm now in the National Guard.
We feel like part of CTE that helped us when going into college was kind of gaining the knowledge before having the classes, and it felt like we were kind of put in front of our peers with that.
We also gained a lot of field placement experience before we ended up doing field placements here at Bloomsburg.
The co-op program I participated in was with Geisinger in Milton, and through the opportunity I was able to obtain a scholarship that pays for over 25% of my tuition. And currently I'm still enrolled in the Geisinger system because of this opportunity, and I work at an internship where I'm being paid much more than I started at, and it was a very good experience for me.
And our biggest experience that we were given was the abilities to experience dealership level mechanics through the co-op program.
And work with a lot of great teachers that let us experience more than we would have been given elsewhere.
And it allowed us our abilities to currently branch out.
And criminal justice taught me more of a future I want to pursue in law enforcement. And now I'm in the National Guard.
I'm a sophomore at Lock Haven University, where I'm pursuing my bachelor's degree in early childhood education. During my time in diversified occupations, I was able to work at Summit Early Learning in Lewisburg, where I got to work with children from ages 0 to 5 years old, and I really got to apply my work skills and know that this is what I wanted to do with my career. I also was able to get paid to do what I love and also learn about the challenges and rewards in childcare. And I think that this has shaped me into who I am today and who I want to become in the future.
The entrepreneurship program was different from other high school experiences. We didn't just sit down and listen to boring lectures. We were actually able to apply what we were learning from the textbook through case studies, class discussions, and projects. The instructors were amazing. They were really knowledgeable, and they were able to just guide us to the answers that we were looking for instead of just giving it outright or just reading it out of the papers. After graduating, I started my own auto detailing business, and I was really confident because I was able to accurately track my expenses, my revenue. I was able to manage my profit, and I was able to apply the marketing concepts that we learned in class to attract more customers. I currently study finance in college, and I can say that I had a huge head start. Most of my peers are still learning the basics, and I'm able to actually focus on the deeper concepts, the deeper applications of the principles that we had actually learned. I don't think the program just teaches business outright. I think it actually provides a skill set for any student. I think I could confidently go into the workforce with my amateur knowledge, and I think that I'm ready for my internships, even with the knowledge that I'm learning currently in my sophomore year. And I'm just really happy that I have been a part of it.
When I look back at my time spent there, I don't just see classes or credits, but a place where my life changed direction. Before the co-op program, I had no idea what career was even possible for me. I knew I had a heart for helping people, but I didn't know how far this could take me. Not only did this teach me clinical skills, but it gave me a confidence my future was bigger than I imagined. Through the co-op program, I gained hands-on experience in real healthcare settings, earned school hours, and a minimum wage of $11.50. With this comes a responsibility many people do not see until years into their experience. With this foundation, I was able to step directly onto the neuroscience floor as a PCT, making $20 an hour. This opportunity does not happen by chance, but because Milton believes in preparing students for real life, not just graduation. Skills USA also helped shape who I am today. Placing first in districts at Penn College and third in states in Hershey in the job interview skills category. This helped strengthen my professionalism and confidence in ways that'll help carry throughout my career. After placing, I received a $3,000 scholarship to help further my nursing education. Not only was this an incredible honor, but it helped affirm my hard work was paying off. However, what impacted me most cannot be measured in placements, pay, or scholarships. As many, my senior year was deeply challenging. Moments when I questioned whether I had the strength to finish what I started. In those moments, my teachers and educators became more than that. They became my anchors. They see the weight I was carrying. Instead of lowering the bar, they helped me step over it, pushing me forward when I feel stuck and speaking belief over me when I have none. They not only invested in my academic success, my career, but my future. Milton High School did more than prepare me for my future. It helped prepare me for life by shaping work ethic, strengthening my voice, and surrounding me with mentors who do not give up on you. For that and the doors they have opened for me, I am forever grateful.